A worrying incident has surfaced from Odisha. A young migrant worker has gone missing while traveling to Bangalore in search of livelihood, leaving his family in deep distress. The missing man has been identified as Nikhil Nayak, a resident of LIC colony under Champua NAC in Kyunjhar district. According to reports, Nikhil had left for Bangalore last Sunday along with 8 others, hoping to earn a living and support his family. However, during the journey on Tuesday, he suddenly went missing midway, and since then there has been no trace of him. His mobile phone remains switched off, and shockingly, even his co-travelers have been unable to provide any information about his disappearance. Back home, the situation is heartbreaking. Nikhil's wife, along with their 10-year-old son Ayush and 8-year-old daughter Sampurna, are desperately waiting for his safe return. The family is living in constant fear and uncertainty, their days filled with anxiety and sleepless nights. Seeking help, the family has approached the local police and urged authorities to take immediate action.
रविवार जाइतिले काम करबा पई जीवा कइले से बेंगलोर धड़ाड़ी लोकों सहित जीवा पई कइले से फोन फान करले सब बेले तापर ये हठात पड़ले मु जानि नथिले रविवार जीवो बोली से माने कइले कोठी उले पड़ला कोठी आमे देखि नै ठीक से माने भी कहू नांती।